Hi, I'm going to explain how to quickly install the VQmod extension for opencart. We first need to go to the VQmod website. VQmod comes in two forms, a standalone or an opencart installation package. If we look down here on the left hand side, we can see the VQmod opencart package. This is what we want. We download it. Once we finish downloading it, we just unzip it however you do it on your operating system using whatever tools you got. The next step is we need to upload it to our opencart installation. So here I've already got it set up. This is our unzipped folder. This is the root directory of your opencart installation. You can see all the common files there. I've already actually installed VQmod on this system, but nonetheless we'll just do it again. I'm going to drag the folder over. It's going to run through. FileZilla gives me a bit of a warning about overwriting files, so we just go yes. When you install this the first time, it won't overwrite any files. There's nothing there to overwrite. We've now copied that folder we unzipped over to the base root directory of our opencart installation. You can see it there. There's the VQmod folder. Now we need to go back to our web browser. In this case, we're just going to put in the URL of that opencart installation. Now we need to append to the end of the URL VQmod/install. Now this comes up with VQmod already installed because I've already done it. If you are doing this for the first time, it will be VQmod has been installed, and that's it. It takes about a minute to install VQmod, and then it opens up the doors to a large range of opencart modifications. You can actually go to their website. You can see down here they have a section just for VQmods.